We found some awesome small campers with bathrooms. Stick around, you're going to want to check these out. Hi everybody, Mike from RVBlogger here in front of the camera, and Susan's behind the camera, and today we're going to be taking a look at some awesome small campers with bathrooms that we found. Hey, if you've seen our channel before, welcome back. We're awfully glad you're here checking us out again, and if this is your first time seeing us, welcome aboard. We make tons of YouTube videos all about RVing, and we also have our website, RVblogger.com, where we literally have hundreds of articles that we've written all about RVing. And if that's not enough, we also have our Facebook group, RV Camping for Newbies, where you can meet fellow RVers, ask questions, get great answers, and learn all about RVing. Today, though, we're going to be taking a look at some awesome campers that we found that are small and they have a bathroom. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. This travel trailer is the Primetime Avenger 17FQS model. It's 21 feet 7 inches long and it weighs just 3,014 pounds, making it an easy trailer to tow behind you with almost any size vehicle. Now, when you first walk in the front door, you'll notice that you have a queen size bed towards the front. There's both nightstands on both sides of the bed, and each nightstand has a USB port and an electrical outlet as well. There's also storage over top. Now, underneath this queen size bed, there is just a ton of storage that goes all the way to the front of the trailer, and there's pass-through storage from both sides of the front of this trailer as well. So lots and lots and lots of storage up front. Okay, also you'll notice that there is an inline kitchen on this side of the trailer. Inline kitchens, I think, are really nice because everything you need is all in line for you. You'll notice that you have a kitchen sink, nice gooseneck faucet, plenty of counter space also, and then you have a 2-burner stove. Above you have a microwave and some really nice deep storage cabinetry. There's also plenty of storage down below along with drawer space. Then you have your refrigerator with a separate freezer. Just across from the kitchen, you have a dinette area that can easily seat 4 people. It's got this nice big window right over top of it, so it lets in lots of light. And the dinette also converts into a bed so someone else can sleep right here. In addition, one of the reasons that it feels so large in here is because the dinette itself is in a giant slide out, which is about 2 feet deep. So here I am in the bathroom, which goes across the whole entire back of this travel trailer. So it's a really, really good sized bathroom. The shower is about 3 feet wide, 2 feet deep, and the height on it, if you're standing inside the vent area, is about 6 feet 3 inches. If you're just under the regular ceiling here, maybe about 6 feet 1 inch. On the other side of the bathroom, you'll notice that there are these cubby holes that are about 2 feet deep. And then there's a nice sized vanity with some storage underneath as well. This pop-up camper is the Rockwood Highwall model number 277, and it weighs in at 3,334 pounds. When it's closed, it's 19 feet 3 inches long, and when it's open, it's 26 feet 9 inches long. Now, this pop-up camper has a really, really great feel to it. When you first walk in, you find this kitchen area with all this countertop space. Comes with a 3-burner stove, oven down below. Then it has a double bowl sink, and it's also got plenty of drawers and cabinet space as well. As we continue to move back, we have a microwave oven and then extra storage back here as well. Now, behind me is one of the queen size beds on this end of the camper. And then when we wrap around, this small camper actually has a bathroom as well. So it has a toilet and a shower combo, also known as a wet bath. When you stand in here, there's actually a curtain that attaches to the track on the ceiling that wraps around you, so you can stay in here and take your shower and not get water all over the place. By the way, the toilet that is in here is not a cassette toilet. It's a regular toilet that drains into a black tank. Another nice feature in this particular pop-up is the bump out for the dinette area. It's got a nice big U-shaped dinette. Plenty of people can sit here, and it's also got storage underneath of the dinette benches. This end of the pop-up camper has the refrigerator located here, which also has a small ice tray at the top of it. More countertop space here, more countertop and storage space over here. And then of course you have your second queen size bed on this end of the pop-up camper. This travel trailer is the Forest River Platinum Salem FSX 179 DBK X model, and it is 3,498 pounds, and it is only 22 feet 6 inches long. So it's a smaller travel trailer that has many of the features, and it certainly lives like a bigger travel trailer. And some of the reasons for that are right here at the front of this travel trailer. The first thing you'll note is that it has a Murphy bed up here. Now, we really like the Murphy bed setup because it gives you a couch for living space during the daytime, but then at night you can easily fold your couch down, pop the little clip, pull your bed out, and boom, you have a queen size bed that's out of the way during the day and very much nice and comfy at night. You'll also notice there's a big wardrobe closet on the right hand side. It's also a small nightstand over here with a electric receptacle and USB port. And then above there's additional storage. So as we move a little bit through this travel trailer, you have a nice inline kitchen setup. Up top you have your microwave oven, very nice cabinetry there. You have a big single bowl sink with a gooseneck faucet, 2-burner range. Down below you have drawer and cabinet space as well. And then as we move back through, you have a larger refrigerator with a separate freezer as well. Right across from the kitchen area you have your dinette, and this can seat 4 people. It can also convert into a bed, so you could sleep one more person here. And then above your dinette you have a nice size window and additional storage space also. Moving back into this trailer, you have double wide bunks, both top and bottom. Both of them have their own window, which gives them plenty of light. There's also some additional storage underneath the bottom bunk. So here I am inside the bathroom. It's really a decent sized bathroom in here. The shower's about 3 feet by 2 feet. Comes with a shower curtain. I wish it had a door with a retractor in it, but anyway, it's not a bad setup at all. You'll notice over here in the corner, there's a good sized medicine cabinet. Down below it comes with a corner vanity and plenty of storage underneath. This travel trailer is by Venture RV. It's their Sonic Lite SL150 VRB model. It weighs in at just 3,100 pounds, and it's only 19 feet 8 inches long. When you first walk in, you'll notice there's a very comfy couch right in front of you, and this couch also serves as a Murphy bed, which is fantastic because it gives you plenty of space in here when you're not sleeping. And then of course you can lower your bed and use the space for sleeping at night. On each side there's a very nice wardrobe cabinet, receptacles on each side of the couch, and I'll show you how easy it is to flip the Murphy bed down. The sofa just jackknifes out, and then it has one clip here in the center. Pull that down, just lower this down, and then your mattress just folds right out, and there you go. It's the best I've made the bed in a long time. There's also a dinette table that sits in front of the couch. You can fold that up and stow it behind the Murphy bed as well, so it's not in your way. Okay, so here I am in the kitchen part of the RV, and you'll notice up top, these are gorgeous glass doors that they have in here, and they open up to a really nice sized storage area. Countertop space is very adequate. It has a big, deep, round sink, nice gooseneck faucet, 2-burner range. Down below that, you have your microwave, and then additional drawer and cabinet storage space. Right behind me here, we have a refrigerator with a separate freezer. This trailer has a really nice big bathroom in it. It's the full length of the back of the trailer, and here I am in the shower. There is, in the skylight area, I don't know, about 6 or 7 inches of space over my head. I'm 5'11", so decent amount of headroom in here. We really like the corner shower layout with these roll around glass doors. It's just a lot of room in here and it feels really comfortable. The medicine cabinet is a very large size. Then it has an additional countertop space with a little cubby underneath, corner sink, and storage down below. Across from the shower and the vanity, of course, we have the commode, and they also have a super big wardrobe closet that goes back another foot or so that way. So there's plenty of storage space in here. This travel trailer is by Intech. It's their Sol Horizon model. It weighs in at 3,340 pounds, and it's just 19 feet long, but it feels much, much bigger in here. When you first walk in the door, you'll notice on the right-hand side, you have both your living and dinette area. And by the way, this also converts into a bed where two people can sleep. But the big feature up here that really makes it feel great is this huge panoramic window. So you can see outside, see the world around you, and it really makes it feel open and airy and spacious in here. You'll also notice that there's storage up above the dinette and sleeping area as well. Okay, so right next to the dining area, you have a microwave oven up top. Then you have a radio and some of your controls. And then, of course, a little compact fridge with an ice compartment above, and then a storage drawer down below. In the kitchen area, you'll notice that you have a 2-burner stove and a very large, deep farmhouse kitchen sink, nice gooseneck faucet with a sprayer. And then down below that, plenty of drawer storage and cabinet storage underneath as well. Above the sink area and stovetop, there's also additional storage up here too. So here I am inside the wet bath, and it's a very good size wet bath area in here. I would say it's 3.5 feet wide, 2 feet deep, a nice shower setup, commode, but lots of room to move around in here. So here I am on the queen size bed in the back of this travel trailer. Lots of room. One really nice feature you'll notice right away is this big window behind me here. But starting on this end, there's a TV, storage space above. They have a built-in clock. That's kind of cool. There's overhead storage as well. Little shelves on each end of this bed with reading lights. This one over here happens to have electrical receptacle and a USB port. I like the fact that it has another window on the end here, and then it's also got more storage above. Let us know which one of these awesome travel trailers was your favorite by leaving us a comment down below. We hope you enjoyed checking out all these travel trailers today. And by the way, speaking of check it out, if you'd like to check out some of our other videos, just click one of these boxes down below. And remember to subscribe to the RVBlogger channel when you do, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every week when we put out a brand new video. So for Mike and Susan, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.